Everything we do, we believe in excellence. We build trust. We realize your dream to own a piece of land. We provide you the best solutions to fulfill your dream better than your expectations, and yes, with the guarantee of quality and trust. We, Excellence Shelters Private Limited. In today's world, everybody has a dream of his own land in the fastest growing cities like Pune and Mumbai. But rates of the land are not affordable to common man. It remains only a sweet, unreachable dream. Next step is the search for the alternative in affordable budget. Now the question is there an alternative? And if yes, then where? We at Excellence Shelters Private Limited provide you the best answer for you. One of the leading companies in property dealing and real estate, Excellence Shelters Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 approved company, brings you a cost-effective and safest way for investment in real estate. The company has completed plotting projects like Excellence Prarambha City, Excellence Sankalp City, Excellence Utkarsh City, Excellence Bhagyodaya City, and Excellence Aishwaryam City till today. It is now growing its business towards skies. The company has managed to keep its trust with the guarantee of excellence in all these projects. Now, company has spread its wings across the other cities, which are taking its shape into the modernizing world. Solapur is a historical city having a culture of industry, tradition and education. The city is growing rapidly in all aspects. Some of the major aspects of development of this city are International Airport, Bharat Forge and NTPC plant. And yes, this is the new alternative of property investors. Excellence Shelters Private Limited brings you various plotting projects near this vigorously growing Solapur city to fulfill your dream of your own real estate. Only a few kilometers away from the 6-lane Pune-Hyderabad NH9 highway, which is under construction. Only a few kilometers away from the new Boramani International Airport, government has finished 1,600 acres of land capturing for this airport and also handed over the project to Maharashtra Airport Development Company, that is MADC, completing the donation of compensation to the farmers. Near to the industrial area of under construction 350 crore NTPC Bharat Forge plant, which has covered total 160 acres and which will provide preference to almost 40 small-scale industries. A dream is shaping into reality. A number of town planning sanctioned NA plots. Zero maintenance for 4 years, that is, company will take care of your plot for rest of the 4 years as company will have their own fencing. Immediate plot sale deal. Strong legal documentation. Resale facility, that is, company will help you to resell your plot with 4% brokerage. Various new dream projects by Excellence Shelters Private Limited are taking shape in the natural and religious environment of Tulzapur, Akkalkot, Pandharpur and Dawar Malik Dargah, etc. Comfortable wide internal roads, sanctioned layouts and guarantee of quality. Excellence Shelters Private Limited. Book your dream today and take your smile back on your lips.